Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will install and set up the app now. Open the store, download National Test Abhyas, and grant camera, storage, and notification permissions so features work. Once done, sign in with your mobile number, verify the OTP, and create a secure PIN. This protects your profile. Next, choose the exam category and level so the app tailors practice content. Make sure to allow updates and syncing. Without sync, progress won't save across devices. You'll now begin practicing with intention. Pick either a full-length mock or sectional test and confirm the test duration before starting. During the test, use the timer, mark questions you want to revisit, and switch sections when allowed. This improves time allocation. After finishing, view detailed analytics to see accuracy, time per question, and topic-wise performance percentages so you know where to focus. Once reviewed, adjust difficulty and retry weak topics. Consistent cycles build competence. You're finishing the session. Submit the test to receive an instant score and step-by-step explanations for each question so you learn why answers are right or wrong. Make sure to sync results to the cloud and schedule your next practice session to maintain momentum. If you need records, export your progress report or take screenshots. If something goes wrong, app freezes, missing score, clear cache, update the app, or log out and back in. If it persists, contact support and provide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.